In this video, I will be explaining how to do multiplication of two-digit number. So let's get started. So we are saying any two-digit number. You can take any two-digit number. Let's say 6, 4, 2, 3. So here we will have 3 spaces for the numbers. To come first, in this sort string method, we will start multiplying with these two numbers, 2, 4, 8, and then next 3, 6, 18. After this, we will multiply these two, 3, 4, 12, and then these two, 2, 6, 12. We will add these two numbers, 2, 2, 4, and 1, 2. So these two numbers, 2 and 4, it will be coming here 4 and 2 here. So after this, we have to add the numbers. Here, add 8. There's no number here. 4. 8 plus 2. 10. 1 in hand. 1 plus 1. 2. So the answer is 2048. So this is the method how we usually multiply two-digit number with a short trick. So I hope you guys understand. Thank you.